to the Ironing Maiden YouTube channel. I am Sierra Nicole and I am also the Ironing Maiden. This channel is going to be a crafting channel for, I guess, more odd crafts on the side of oddities rather than things that you would typically find on YouTube. I noticed that there was kind of a lack of crafters who were making, I don't know, I guess just things that were more interesting and a little bit out there and weird. I know there are a few people who do it, but I wanted to start this channel to kind of, I don't know, like have like a space for odd little creations. I keep saying odd, just things that aren't typically thought of as being, I guess, aesthetic or whatever. So it's for people who would be more interested or more invested in having things either in their home or to wear, or accessories and things of that nature that would be less trendy and more like, I don't know, I don't want to say original because I feel like that's so offensive, but I guess just things that are not, things that aren't, I don't know, things that you couldn't buy at the store, things that you would have to make yourself. Like, for instance, these earrings right here. I will do a video about some of the things that I've already got, and I will be doing lookbooks, how I wear the things that I make. I will be making sewing videos showing you how I sew things to kind of incorporate. I'll be doing thrifting videos, what I look for when I thrift, and why I do not buy specific items, or why I do generally buy items that I could upcycle. I'll do upcycle videos. I will do crafting videos, little small things like accessories or things like that. I will also do home decor videos and some quilting. I do quilting. And it's called the Ironing Maiden because I actually really love metal music, and for some reason it's very calming when I'm cutting like a quilt or when I'm cutting fabric or something to be listening to like metal music. And so I was also going to do a playlist, and I was gonna do my playlist monthly, and it would just be like music that I'm listening to during the month while I'm crafting, if any of you are wondering what it is that I'm actually listening to. So I will incorporate that. I do listen to a lot of punk music, a lot of metal music, but I'm very open, so I listen to a lot of world music. I listen to a lot of reggae. I am a very, very open person when it comes to style, when it comes to jewelry, when it comes to makeup, when it comes to how I put myself together, how I mix prints, how I, eat even. I feel like I'm very open to trying new things and to mixing things together. And I feel like that's really important to find what works for you, and especially when you're trying to be more original and you're trying to stand out more. Not necessarily that's the most important thing, but if you like things that are different, this channel is for you. So please stick around. There's going to be lots of videos coming. We're going to have some Valentine's Day videos to start off with, and then more and more things that are just in the works right now. I also do historical costuming, or I don't like when people call it costumes actually, but historical outfitting and Renaissance festivals and things like that. So I will be making some of the more novel historical clothing, and that will come up pretty soon because I have a couple of projects for that. And then I'm also going to do, like I said, hauls, but I will do like a tour of what I already have and kind of show you guys what I'm working with, kind of show you my creative process. And I think it's going to be super fun and super exciting. So if you think you might be interested, please hit the subscribe button. I would love for you to stick around. I would love for you to stay. And I also would love to see anything that you make. I will link in some of my other social, I like Instagram and stuff like that, so you can like send me things. if you make something that I made, if you have something interesting that you want to show me, I'm super into it. So yeah, stick around, and I'm super excited to get to know all of you guys and to start making things with you guys. So I hope you have a nice day, and I hope you enjoy the channel and all of that. So it's gonna be so much fun. Alright, bye you guys!